online Manipur YouTube channel sibing video mampum no pomokana taram seri Nandini Gupta from Rajasthan crowned Femina Miss India 2023. Shreya Punja from Delhi and the Thounaojam Strela Luwang from Manipur were announced first and second runners-up respectively. The winners of Femina Miss India will represent India at the Miss World 2023. Big congratulations Nandini Gupta, Miss Rajasthan crowned Femina Miss India 2023, first runner-up Miss Delhi Shreya Punja and the second runner-up Miss Manipur Thounaojam Strela Luwang. Aduga Miss India 2023 da Rajasthan na Miss India takre aduga first runner-up tana Delhi aduga second runner-up tana Manipur na takre. Congratulations all of you. Truly happy to see that the grand finale of the 59th Femina Miss India 2023 was successfully hosted at Kumar Lampak Indoor Stadium, Imphal in Manipur. Manipur, the jewel of India, has much more to offer to the people of the nation and the world, and I thank the Times Group, the organizers and all the contestants for providing us this opportunity to showcase a glimpse of our rich, vibrant culture, traditions and our potentials for ecotourism through this event. I wish the very best to the winners and the contestants in all their futures endeavors, said N. Biren Singh, Chief Minister of Manipur.